Underneath the palm trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the...
Alright guys, if you guys have seen the intro, if you guys have seen the title, you already know we are here with the shits today. We are reviewing a Jackie Aina makeup collaboration palette she created with ANASTASIA BEVERLY Hills. And I know the beauty community is definitely in an uproar because we like, sis, yes, she's the first female African American to work with them and collaborate and create her own line. So we're gonna dive right in the box in which it came in. So I really love that the packaging did come secure. I haven't bought from ANASTASIA in a long time besides like going in Ulta, so to have it shipped like this was dope. I really feel like they wanted to make sure the palette was very secure. She is shining. She does have that holographic feel. Alright y'all, so this is the palette itself. It is so freaking gorgeous. I love that it has a textured case and it's got texture on the box too, low-key. That is dope. Anyway, we're gonna open it up and I'm just gonna bring her in a little bit. I think I stuck my fingers in one of these yesterday because I had the opening, all right, so I did stick my fingers in that in the big wig shape. So these are the colors. Close. The colors look so freaking beautiful in this palette. Super duper impressed. I always thought that Anastasia's palettes were very pigment anyway. Some are hit and miss, so we're gonna pray that Jackie did her thing with this palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. We're gonna go ahead and prep our eyes, and it's about to be chilly. Now don't mind my lips because they is crusty, period. Okay, I think I'm up close and personal with you guys, I think. So anyway, I don't have anything on my eyes but foundation, so yeah. I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. And alright, so I'm actually going in with the P. Louise base. I love this eyeshadow primer. Since you can use concealer, you can use whatever you have. Alright y'all, I had to switch over to a voiceover because honey, me and talking, honey, I would do more talking than actually doing the makeover. We'll be here till tomorrow. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and, you know, put that primer all over our eyelids. You don't need to set it because it's just that balm. It sets on its own. So yeah, we going in with Ginger. Ginger is gonna be our transitioning shade for the evening, okay? And let me tell you guys, be careful. Be careful. Be careful because these eyeshadows are very pigmented. You do not need a lot. A little goes a long way. And I was actually picking off the bristles of my makeup brush because it was cheap and it was old, so I had to switch brushes. So I wasn't picking off eyeshadow because of fallout, sis. Just wanted to clear that up because, you know, people are a little weird. Shadow, sometimes the makeup just sticks to it and it starts splotching, but sis, this didn't do it at all. I was already shocked. Like, it blew my mind out the jump, out the gate. Okay, so we're just gonna continue to blend out, and now we're going in with edges. Now let me tell you about edges. Edges came for my life. Edges snatched my fake edges off of my head, okay? Edges was really giving me all types of life, and let me tell you how it blended in with the Ginger as my transition shade. Sis, I was like, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Let me tell you, these eyeshadows melt together like butter. They blend out like butter. Go to your refrigerator, get some butter, put it in a frying pan, watch it melt. That's how these colors blend out. I'm so amazed. Now we're going in with Credit. Credit is going to be on our outer corner of the eye because I definitely was going for like a little bit of a dramatic look, like a, you know, hardcore punk smoky eye. I don't know what I'm talking about, but you guys are looking and watching what I'm doing. So like I said, I didn't have any trouble blending these 3 out. And like credit is a little bit more deeper, and sometimes you have to pack that color on there for it to show up and be very, very vibrant. But as you guys can see, there's no filter on this video. There's nothing but straight up light. And let me tell y'all, now I was a little extra, like, sis, I put too much on and had to go back in with ginger just to blend it out. But let me tell you, these eyeshadows can get very, very pigmented. Y'all know I'm not really an eyeshadow person, wearer, whatever you want to call it. I don't really wear eyeshadow like that because number one, I don't know what I'm doing, and number two, I don't know what I'm doing. So for me to try this palette, and it was so easy to blend out, you know, this palette makes me look like I know what I'm doing. It really does. It makes me look like, sis, she can blend. She got, you know, her blending game's on fleek. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay? It's this palette. I'm telling you. They blend together just like that. And I'm not even being extra, y'all. Y'all already know. My OGs know I don't wear eyeshadow. Y'all see me with lashes, and that's about it. So, really, really hype. So, I'm going to go ahead and blend a little bit of that in, and then we going in with Zam. Let me tell y'all about Zam. Zam stole the show. My whole mouth dropped. Like, I had a clip in here where I was talking, but I didn't feel like, you know, re-editing it and putting it back in. But sis, I had to zoom y'all girls in because Zam was doing the thing. Let me tell you about Zam. Zam was so pigmented, and it was so shimmery. Like, it was like glitter. It was like, oh my gosh. And it glided on that eyeshadow like, girl, this shadow melted like butter, like complete. All these shadows up. I was just blown away with this shade in particular because it was just doing the thing. And let me tell you, I did not spray my eyeshadow brush with any Fix Plus spray, with any Morphe spray, any type of setting spray at all, and it gave me this life. I'm 100% with you guys. You guys are not going to be disappointed with this palette. I think by far this is, well, I haven't, let me stop saying that because I only had ABH's first palette. But I'm saying, out of all the palettes I've tried, Jackie Aina's palette has made it to number 1 of my list. Okay, because I never had a shimmery shadow that's shimmery without you having to add Fix Plus. Like, where they do that at? But anyway, we're going in with Big Wig now. Big Wig, hey girl. We're going to go ahead and blend that out. I just wanted something, you know, to be a little bit extra and dramatic, just to blend into the shadow, you know. Like I said, I'm not the best with eyeshadow, so you guys don't have to bear with me. Sometimes a sight, and then when you get done at the end, it looks, okay, I see where you was going with it. So we just using her just to blend out everything, to soften some stuff. Let me go back over Zam again. Zam is very, very loose as well. So I did have a little bit of that like on my face, and you know, it did come down. It was looking like, oh, she got glitter on her face. So I did have to go in with my banana powder, you know, just clean up a little bit. I believe that well, I haven't tried the other shimmers. I swatched them, but you know, with me using Zam, okay, Zam is Zam, like really Zam. So it is a little bit of a looser, what is Zam? I'm trying to say a looser texture than what we're used to in makeup palettes. I haven't really came across, like I said, I haven't had many palettes. I have majority, a little bit under majority, but you know, it's a little bit looser in texture than what we're used to as far as shimmer shade. But sis, it's just giving me all type of vibes. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to go ahead and dust this away. Like I said, I did have a little bit of fallout from Zam Daddy. So I'm just kidding. Yeah, I had a little bit of fallout. The other shades didn't fall out, but Zam definitely had a little bit of fallout. But anyway, we're going in with Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara and our Tati lashes in TL3. These are my favorite lashes of all time. So we went off camera, added that, and now I'm just going on with some eyeliner. And this is from Rimmel. Y'all, I love Rimmel products. Period. And this eyeliner stays on. I could be crying, y'all. I was at funerals. I've been doing the worst in this mascara? I'm sorry, eyeliner, and sis, it held up all the way. Now I don't know what happened to my clip. My camera was not recording, but I went in with I forgot the name of the shade. It was 2 shades. I'm going to have to write it in here or check the description section below. I went in with 2 shades to outline my cut crease. And let me tell you, it was like I had an eyeliner or like a glitter eyeliner outlining it, and that was the shadows that did that. So if you guys see like a little pop or a little line in the cut crease, that was done with those shadows. I just forgot the two colors I used. Check the description section because those two will be listed down there. But y'all, this palette, sis, it's just by far the best palette I've tried from ABH. Like I said, I only had, I think, one. So really I don't have much to compare to, but sis, oh my goodness. I did go in with my 𝚘𝚘 to just make my little under eye pop a little bit more. And I'm just adding more of a contour bronzer to my little cheeks. Okay, we want them just to blend back in. It got a little washed out from my banana. I don't think that's 𝚘𝚘 powder. I think that's from Revolution. Yeah, I think that's from Revolution. But so I'm going back in with our Better Than Sex mascara to do my bottom line. And underneath my eye, you really couldn't see it, but because I don't really like doing under eye because I just be looking a little manly. I'm just kidding. I just don't know how to do that. So I tried it, but you really can't even see it. So okay. And then we're gonna go in with our highlighter. We're using the Glow Kit by Anastasia. Is it Anastasia? Let me stop. Anyway, we're just gonna use that shade and go ahead and give ourselves a little bit of glow on our cheeks, under our brow bones, and the bridge of our nose, and the tip of our nose as well. And then that is it, y'all. Jackie did the thing. I'm so excited. What is palette? You guys have to grab it if it's still in stock. I don't even know. Honey, I was one of the first. I got mine still in the pre-order, so you already know. But y'all, this look came out fire. Let me know what you guys think. This is definitely TJ approved. No problems, no cons whatsoever, period. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
My girl Jackie, sis, she did the damn thing with this palette. You did the motherfucking thing with this palette, okay? Period. Period, poo.